The most holy and busy time of the year for Muslims is fastly approaching. Normally, the first few days, as we all know, are quite challenging to adjust to. Whether it's fulfilling the 5 obligatory prayers, waking up for Sehri, going to Taraweeh, or simply fasting till sunset. We all face challenges during Ramadan. Here's a few ways to prepare yourself and adjust easily for Ramadan. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Islam Breakdown for more Islamic content. The first way we can prepare ourselves for Ramadan is by changing our eating habits. For one, we can start by cutting out the junk foods and consuming less than our normal intake. Another way to improve our eating habits is to start observing voluntary fasts. By completing these non-compulsory fasts, you will end up getting closer to Allah and the transition into Ramadan will go much smoother. Another thing that will help tremendously if you don't already, make a habit of waking up for Fajr. Fajr is arguably the hardest prayer to perform, even though it's the shortest. The main reason we don't wake up for this prayer is because we're too tired or simply just lazy. It's all a mindset thing, however, so if you go to sleep with the genuine intention of waking up for Fajr, then the only way you won't is if you break that promise to yourself. We must get more involved in the community. Start by going to Jummah prayer on Fridays if you don't already. I understand you guys have work, but are you honestly telling me that your job won't grant you a 30 to 40 minute break to go read Jummah? If so, then you need a new job. And when Ramadan starts, try to volunteer and spend more time at the masjid. Stuff like donating packs of water bottles, helping prepare iftar at the masjid, cleaning up, and giving zakat more consistently. By following the sunnah and cutting out minor sins, you will see a major change. There are some common habitual sins aunties should cut down on, like backbiting and instigating family drama, while younger men and women should try to refrain from messaging those of the opposite gender during this month. Older men should try to be a better example for their children as their kids, boys and girls, model themselves after their father figures. This means cutting out bad habits like cigarettes, foul language, and having gandi nazar. This Ramadan should feel a little more normal, unlike last year's, when everybody was locked in their homes. Many places are lifting COVID mandates, however, it's good to still be cautious. Like the Prophet ﷺ once said, trust Allah but tie your camel. We hope this video helps you in this Ramadan and the next ones. May Allah grant us the tawfiq to fast all 30 days and may this Ramadan be an easy one for us. May Allah unite the Ummah.